Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we will be making vegan onion rings.
So we're going to show you how to make the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients for your onion rings. So once you have your wet, you're going to be dipping your onions into the wet, putting it over to your dry, coating them, and then once you have as many onion rings as you like, you're going to just bake them for a little bit, and that's it. Super easy, very tasty. Let's get started. Now for our wet ingredients, we're going to be putting a half a cup of flour, and then after that we are going to be adding 2/3 cup of your plant-based milk. We're going to be using oat milk. And next we are going to be doing a half a teaspoon of paprika. You're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a half teaspoon of salt. And you dump it all in there, mix it all up, and then we'll move on to the dry. So our wet ingredients are all done. That's what it should look like. And now we're gonna make our dry. So you're gonna start with 1 cup of breadcrumbs. This is the one we use. This is vegan friendly actually. 1 cup of that. You're gonna do a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put that in there, mix it all up. And then we're gonna chop our onions and get started. All right, once you have your onions cut, I sliced them in 4 just to make it easier to get your layers. And then you're just gonna push down on them. You should have rings. You're gonna put it into your wet, and then into your dry, and then that's it. Have your onion rings. All right, our onions are all separated. Time to put them in the wet ingredients. I'm gonna do the wet. Logan's gonna do the dry. You wanna keep your hands separate. If you're doing this by yourself, 1 hand for the wet, 1 hand for the dry. Because once your dry ingredients get too wet, then it's going to get clumpy, and then you are not going to have a good batter. There you go. Just coat them up. That's it. Yep. Pour it all around there, and then we're going to put them in our pan. We're going to do this in our air fryer, 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they're nice little crispy brown, and then your onion rings should be ready. Okay,
They're done.
onion rings are done. Look at that.
Crispy.
Look at that nice little crisp.
And we're dipping them in some lemon sauce.
Yeah, some lemon sauce we found. So, yeah, let's see how that tastes. Very crunchy. Look at that.
Less sour.
Very good. It is delicious. All right.
You should try this out.
Yeah, give it a shot. We love these. Super easy to make, and it's got a perfect crunch to it, and it's a little healthier than fried onion rings because you're just gonna bake them or put them in the air fryer. So give them a try. Like, share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe, and
Have a sweet day.
there you go. Later.